Good day, another fresh from delivery. So we have the 2025 Kimco Dollar 150. Ang variant na ni guys is dark gold. So this is very convenient because the kaya yung footboard, as you can see, bigger than the Honda Beat and the Honda Click. So this is very suitable guys for those daily riders, food deliveries and more. So special about this bike is this one. Okay, extended. This is the 2025 Kimco Dollar 150 guys. All LED. You can get this also via financing, fast approval, less hassle on requirements. Okay guys, so only here at Motorcycle City, Mandaue, Cebu.